Power your life with clean, reliable energy. Prodigy exclusive. Company is excited to announce the installation of a 1500-watt solar generator at Woodland Park Estate, Monastery Road, Sangotedo. This 1500-watt solar generator is a powerhouse. It's designed to handle more devices, including lights, fans, TVs, and even larger appliances, all with quiet, eco-friendly and cost-effective energy from the sun. Our expert team ensures every installation is seamless and efficient, guaranteeing you maximum performance and long-lasting durability. Say goodbye to power outages and fuel expenses. With solar, you get uninterrupted power, save money on electricity bills, and contribute to a greener environment. It's the perfect solution for your home or business. Ready to make the switch to solar? Contact Prodigy Exclusive Company today at 0912-441-8659 or connect with us on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook at Prodigy Exclusive Company. Let us help you take control of your energy needs with clean, sustainable power.